I do not ride.
Yeah, you do. Today you do.
I do not ride. I do not ride. According to camera, I do not ride. Yeah, it's like close. It's like the subway guy being too close to a fucking playground. Just doesn't happen, babe. Okay, that's just how it is. All right. Yeah, we're not dealing with $6 footlongs or $half $1 footlongs here. Yeah, it ain't fucking Tuesday, people. All right.
My trail.
Yeah.
Get the shit out of my trail.
Yeah, that's a good cherry root. That's a good cherry tree. This is not a cherry tree, or sorry, cherry limb.
Limb. Was
Okay.
that oak?
That is swamp maple, faggot.
Hey!
Tony Montana, baby. Pablo Escobar. Alright, I caught some in my fucking mouth. Hey, I'm tasting clay.
I'm tasting clay. We're good.
I missed
We
that.
ate dirt, baby. We ate dirt.
It's snow.
Yeah, Grinch. Hey, that's called Grinch cocaine.
Holy
That was
shit.
close. I did. Well, I thought I moved. Can he ride? I don't think he can ride. He's got about 6 bikes on him. I don't fucking know.
He can't ride.
Man, he can't fucking ride. We're figuring out the zoom on this thing. We got 2 knuckleheads on the fucking camera on the smart side, baby. On the smart
Operator
side.
air for
Yeah.
sure.
All right, get him on. Kiss me again, honey.
Dude, normally when people jump out front, they move back. I was like, I'm gonna try to hit him, and you didn't move. I was like, oh god.
Hey, it was a good. I think he got enough.
Dude, I thought I was gonna catch him.
Well, hey, I already got chip teeth. I already got chip town. Yeah,
Dude, she straight up hit me in there.
stop. Body check, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Stop in time.
Holy shit.
The amount of times she's hit Can I get your helmet?
Whoa, you fucked up. We gotta redo that. Back here.
Ow.
Had the conversation.
I just want a beer, dude.
Hey, we're trying to make content. All right, beer.
3 beers. How many
Dirts.
beers? 4 beers?
I don't know, 3 or 4, 5, 6. Put the helmet on.
I
Yeah.
don't need no goddamn.
All right. Well. All right. Well, I'm safe over the darts. Me and Phil. Yeah, I love it.
I hope he's got it in his mouth.
Two beers for more.
Feed Papa.
Let me spark it for you.
You don't like
You're
your
supposed to
cigarettes.
smoke and not chew it.
Light it. No, this is mine.
Yeah.
All right, lift it. Where's the cig? All right, where's your
He's
lighter?
got the lighter. He's got the lighter.
All right, give me a look. It even matches a cig pack. Look at that.
Look at that.
A sucker with class.
That's his high octane one.
Whoa.
Speaking of high octane.
Whoa. Hey, we're saving the environment today, boys. Yeah, okay, all right. Yeah, that's old Pepsi thing.
This thing literally has not got a brake.
Yeah, I think so.
This thing is great.
My friend breaks it.
Yeah.
See if Jules can keep up. She got the helmet on now.
2 laps.
Oh
I'm
shit,
back.
there's a
2 laps.
Yeah, that thing is better.
babe. bad. Like he doesn't know sports. That's fucking gay.
No.
You gotta pull in the clutch.
No, dude,
You gotta,
that clutch,
down real slow,
I feel like that
Hey,
clutch
hey,
is failing.
hey,
Like,
I'm telling her, and then you say, "Hey, shut up, bitch."
Shut up, bitch.
Yeah, no, seriously. Oh, see, I ruined that shit.
I'm rolling hot. Nice.
Yeah, I just
She ripping, yeah.
Hey, you ride like old people fuck, a little jerky.
How long you been thinking about that one?
See?
I've been thinking about that for a while.
Tell that man to fucking ride.
We have Coach out here.
I used to ride with steel frame days.
Steel frame. Steel frame.
Fucking god damn it.
It's a battle now. Oh man.
Later.
He's giving her the finger. Wish I got that.
I stuffed her.
It's this thing. I feel like seal skin.
Do-rag?
Yeah.
Seal skin, man. That's like dolphin chest hair. It's so fine. Can't shave it.
Stop it,
Alright, quit.
This ain't no KTM, so everything kind of just falls apart on it. Kickstand.
Oh yeah.
No, I thought it was connected.
Huh?
Look at this. I thought it was connected.
Oh yeah, that's a good day road if it was.
Yeah, this is for the spank bank fucking bullshit. Yeah. Hey, as long as the camera's rolling, as long as the camera's rolling, we keep fucking saying dumb shit. Well, you get so smart, you fucking realize where it makes fucking stupid money.
Is that the blunt?
You got some weed papers in your trash can, Colin.
That's cool.
It's
gonna end up in Krause's
Hey,
anyway.
hey, you know what? In Arkansas, that's a felony. Let's roll. Let me change my shoes because half my drips is my kicks. Okay. That's all we can say about that. I just learned that word the other day.
Coach.
Yeah, I'll do it for you.
Yeah, the bitches always like my cigarettes.
There's no flame. It's like real weak. Hold up, where's the thing at? Turned up.
Is she out?
Probably.
It ain't cigarettes or weed, I tell you that. Oh, it smells good too, man. Yeah.
I just stopped smoking
This
yesterday.
is a sacrifice. Hit it again, Ed. Hit it again.
It ain't at the line yet. The
All right.
puff puff
All right,
pass
all right, well, then give it back to me then.
No matter how wide. You know Josh is buzzing smoking a
Oh,
joint.
you know,
man.
he's fucked up right now. Beer, cigarette, and weed. He's fucked. What's his glove say? How much effort? Oh, how much effort? Oh, do you have?
How much effort do you give?
Don't break my heart. Break it hard. Understand, think you understand.
Break it hard.
I'm glad he does HVAC better than he dances because he
man.
broke, dude.
It's all Bel Air girls. They're like, look at this hillbilly.
Look at this
Oh,
guy.
dude, got them all. They were all married. They were all married.
I was like, oh, he didn't tear it up too bad. You're good.
I'm only
dude. I
doing
don't
thing
care.
is a good Jewish girl, and it
Dude.
fucking comes back, it's all
Damn.
fucked up.
No, it's all good.
Really?
Josh is over there fucking digging his foot in it like a douchebag. He's like, oh,
Oh, it's right
is
here.
this the fucking part?
And it held up.
It did.
Of course, I've got a little 9-man shoe, so
Yeah.
it really
Yeah.
doesn't dig into much.
Those youths don't.
Yeah,
they don't
that's a baby foot.
spotlight.
My light don't stay on all the time. I play with the switch. Get it out of this driveway before I get yelled at again.
Actually, have a fireplace in old goddamn shit. It looks legit.
Chimney.
That's what you
Need to buy the property. She lives in a van.
That's the backyard. Especially if it's easy to back in. Oh, Mr. Fall on fucking good rock.
You alright, man? You alright?
Man, I need to sit. I need to ride.
You ride that mama?
Hey, I can't.
You alright?
No, you want to ride it. Come on.
Me? No. I mean, I'm more Jewish than filter
Oh,
fish. Or whatever
my
you fucking say.
friends, go low riding.
Oh, you just shine some light on the
The whole
situation.
second verse was fucked up.
Hit the clutch and it like didn't stall. It was like I could hear it's on the verge of stalling, and it was.
Dude, I keep
Awesome.
hitting the levers. Like the levers keep catching on trees.
Yeah.
Either pulling in my clutch or pulling in the front
Yeah.
brake. It's like, ugh.
Dude, that one
Like,
vine grabbed my friggin' shifter and I couldn't go. I started yanking out of the tree. You might have a new obstacle over
That's
there.
fine.
Con's like, you're cheating. You're not going through the trail.
Come on, put that bitch in gear now.
As he eats it.
Damn, bro.
What gear are we looking for?
My bike blew up.
Yeah.